Anita. Welcome to our sound safari, where we go on a wild adventure to explore how letters can sound different depending on the word. Some letters are a little tricky, but don't worry, we'll practice together. Let's go! Let's start with the sneak one, the letter C. Sometimes it sounds like cook, like in cat. Can you say cat? Cook, cook, cat. But in other words, it sounds like like in city. Soup, soup, city. Wow, one letter, two sounds. Now the letter G. It can sound like goat, like in goat. Goat, goat, goat. Or like jug, like in giraffe. Jug, jug, giraffe. Let's say some together. G that sounds like gur is for goat, and G that sounds like jug is for giraffe. Next up, the letter X. It sounds like x in box, book, ox, box, but also like z in exam. Exam, exam. Say it with me. Book, ox, box, exam, exam. Now let's talk about the letter Y. In yes, it sounds like yup, 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 yes. But in happy, it sounds like a vowel, like e. Happy. Say it with me. Y in yes sounds like e. Y in happy sounds like e. Some vowel letters like to change their sounds too. Isn't that silly? Let's say these words and listen closely to how the vowel sounds can change. Then let's start with the letter A. Say apple with me. Apple. That's a short A. And now try 8. 8. That's a long A. Can you hear the difference? Say them with me. Long A is for 8. And short A is for apple. Next up is the letter E. Say egg. Egg. That's the short E sound. Now say eve. Eve. That's a long E. Say them with me. Long E is for eve, and short E is for egg. Here comes the letter I. Say igloo. It. That's the short I sound. Now say ice. Ice. That's the long ice. Say them with me. Long I is for ice, and short I is for igloo. Ready for the letter O? Say octopus. Octopus. That's short O. Now try open. Open. That's long O. Say them with me. Long O is for open, and short O is for octopus. And finally, let's look at the letter U. Say umbrella. Umbrella. That's short U. Attention. Now say unicorn. Unicorn. That's long U. Say them with me. Long U is for unicorn, and short U is for umbrella. You did amazing. You heard all the vowel sounds, short and long. Now let's play a fun guessing game. I'll show you a picture and you have to say the word out loud. And I'll tell you if you're right. Let's go. What's this? Say it out loud. Did you say cat? That's running. Cat starts with the k sound. Say it with me. Cat. Now look at this animal. What's it called? You got it. A goat. Goat starts with the g sound. Say it with me. Goat. Here's another one. What do you see? Guess, it's a city. City starts with the sound. Say it with me. City. Yum, it's a fruit. What do you think it is? That's right. It's an apple. Apple starts with a short A. Say it with me. Apple. Ooh, tall and spiny. What is it? Guess, a giraffe. Giraffe starts with the j sound. Say it with me. Giraffe. Here's a strong one. What do you think it's called? Guess, it's an egg. Egg starts with the long egg sound. Say it with me. Egg. You did amazing. You said every word and every sound, just like a real explorer on a sound adventure. You've just earned your Sound Safari Explorer badge. Say it loud and proud. I am a Sound Safari Explorer. Oh, it's look like my dog needs me now. Anyway, thank you so much for playing and learning with me today. Keep listening, practicing, and exploring all the amazing sounds around you. I can't wait to go on another adventure with you. See you soon and take care.